Are you tired of lugging around heavy, cumbersome vacuums that make cleaning feel like a chore? Say hello to the Eureka Rechargeable Handheld Portable Vacuum Cleaner, your ultimate cleaning companion. Engineered with powerful motor technology, this cordless stick vacuum delivers efficient and thorough cleaning performance that will leave your home sparkling clean with minimal effort. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Cordless Convenience. Powered by the latest motor technology, the Eureka Rapid Clean makes cleaning convenient and thorough. With its cordless design, you can easily maneuver around your home without being tethered to a power outlet. Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to hassle-free cleaning. Long-lasting runtime. Equipped with a rechargeable 25-2 lithium-ion battery, this vacuum provides up to 40 minutes of fade-free runtime in Eco Handheld mode and 15 minutes in Max mode. Whether you're tackling quick cleanups or deep cleaning sessions, the Eureka Rapid Clean has you covered with long-lasting power. Versatile cleaning features. The Eureka Rapid Clean is designed with your convenience in mind. The specially designed Easy Rest Nook allows you to safely prop the vacuum up on countertops and furniture when you need to take a break. Plus, with its slim nozzle profile and swivel steering, you can easily maneuver around furniture and clean hard-to-reach places with ease. Powerful suction and efficient filtration. Don't let its compact size fool you. The Eureka Rapid Clean packs a punch with its powerful suction and cyclonic filtration system. Say goodbye to dust, debris, and large particles with ease thanks to the specially designed cyclone filtration system that separates and traps dirt effectively. LED headlights for enhanced visibility. Dust and debris are no match for the Eureka Rapid Clean's bright LED headlights. Illuminate your cleaning path and discover hidden dirt and debris that might otherwise have been missed. With its LED headlights, cleaning under furniture has never been easier. If you're ready to experience the ultimate cleaning convenience, efficiency, and power, then the Eureka Rechargeable Handheld Portable Vacuum Cleaner is the perfect choice for you. Say goodbye to heavy, cumbersome vacuums and hello to hassle-free cleaning with the Eureka Rapid Clean. Transform your cleaning routine and enjoy a cleaner, fresher home today. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. In conclusion, the Eureka Rechargeable Handheld Portable Vacuum Cleaner is a game-changer for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine and achieve professional-level results at home. With its powerful suction, long-lasting battery life, versatile cleaning features, and convenient design, it's the ultimate cleaning companion for every household. Don't settle for less. Invest in the Eureka Rapid Clean and experience the difference it can make in your home today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.